Hey, happy Sunday, everyone. This is Jorge Torres, your go-to realtor in Southern California. Today, I'm in the city of Torrance, California, and I'm going to be hosting an open house here in this stunningly renovated home. There's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath property that has been completely updated inside and out with a fully remodeled kitchen. It has new cabinets, quartz countertop. I always have a hard time saying that word, as well as 2 fully remodeled bathrooms. The family room features a brick fireplace. As you guys can see, it's beautiful. Wood ceilings and a wet bar, making it a perfect space to host family gatherings throughout the year. There's a lot of upgrades that this property has. I'll mention a few. There's crown molding, waterproof flooring, recessed lighting, new electrical fixtures, new water heater, interior, exterior paint, central air. I mean, the list goes on and on about the upgrades that they've made to this property. But don't wait, because this property most likely will not last in the market for too long. But there's so much to say about this property. The only way you can truly appreciate it is if you come on down and visit me and check it out for yourself. You have to see it. You have to see all the details. All right, so I'll be here from 9, started a few minutes ago, until 1 p.m. The address to this property is 16608 Hermanita Avenue in Torrance, California. All right, I'll see you here. Have a great day.